is Dr. Neeraj Bali, and I want to discuss today equity theory of leadership. Now, main idea of this particular discussion is that I would like to give you a basic concept of this leadership theory, and I'm not going to go into the intricacies or so. If once you get a concept, you can go through your textbooks or your books and you can definitely get a better idea about this theory. So the main concept is what I'm going to discuss about this theory. So equity theory, when we're talking about equity theory, we are talking about leadership, a leader who is equally treating its followers or subordinates. So equity means equality. So the behavior of the leader should be equal in all aspects with its subordinates. He should not be biased, in other words. So let us take one example. Suppose I am a leader, I am a boss, I want to promote one person, one employee below me to a senior position. Then how should I go about, how should I implement this theory of equity? Because if we don't implement the theory of equity properly, there is going to be a disconnect between the followers, between the subordinates, and your leadership will be in question, and even the leadership position will go. So these are the implications of not following equity theory. And what exactly, how to implement this particular theory in practical is that theory of equity, when we are implementing, we should have equality in mind. So I want to promote, as I told you before in the example, I want to promote one person to a senior level. Then I should clearly define the criteria to all the colleagues, and strictly based upon that criteria, I should promote one person, the one who is doing the maximum, who is able to get the maximum points from those criterias. If we are able to do this, then there will be no disconnect with other people who have not been promoted. So there are two points in this. One, being fair and projecting to be fair. Both are important. One is I I have done fairly, but I did not project. That means I did not communicate to the subordinates what exactly was the criteria. I was fair, but I did not tell the subordinates what was my criteria. Again, there will be disconnect. So, 2 points are there in implementation. One is you have to be fair, you have to be clear in your criteria of selection, of taking a decision. Second, you should tell your criteria, communicate to the employees so that there is no disconnect. I hope you have understood this particular idea of leadership of equity and theory of equity for leadership, and I am sure that you are going to get better idea if you read some books and some you can go to Google or you can refer some other theory about this. So basic concept I wanted to clear. And now if you have still some doubts about it, you can definitely connect with me through my email ID, and I will respond to you. Thank you.